Ryan Santos of Potentials.com signing at our channel. So we have another haul, this time from National Bookstore in SM Lipa. So ano natin is Human Behavior in Organization. Sale lang po siya. From 400 something naging 98.70 na siya. 80% off. Yan. So, yan. Basta nakakuha po tayo ng book. Yan. Kahit ano, parang end sale siya, diba? Talagang hindi po natin makontrol ang ating sarili. So, yan. Punong-puno na po yung library natin. But, yun. Yung Thirst for Learning na ma-share sa people that you work with or consultant ka, you're consulting with organizations, ayan, magagamit po natin yung mga knowledge natin from these books that we buy. Stay safe, everyone. God bless you all. Thank you for watching. See you on our next video and our trip to the bookstore.